The word on the street lately is that folks are reorganizing, rebuilding, and repacking their Pelican cases to get back out on in-person gigs again. Commencement season, prepping tours to go back out, or just getting ready for when the phone starts ringing again. It's all really exciting stuff. David Garwood has been a friend for a while now, and you might remember him from video number 147 back in 2019.
Is that it, or do you need anything else after that?
When he was first getting out on a big tour behind the monitor desk. I was hoping to catch up with him on that tour in person for a rig rundown video, but hopefully we'll be able to do that in the near future and talk to him again in a few months from now about what life is like touring in 2021. For now, he's put together a quick rundown of his reorganized Pelican. A bit of spring cleaning in the Pelican case is always fun, and I hope this quick look through what David carries will inspire more folks to share their gig bags and Pelican cases here on the channel in the future. There's a link below for details on how to send a video in.
Hey guys, my name is David Garwood. I'm a touring monitor engineer. As shows begin to come back, I wanted to reorganize my Pelican, so I figured I could show you what I did. Starting in the top left of the lid, I have the various items that I keep with me on the day-to-day basis, such as a headlamp, flashlight, pocket knife, and a tape cutter. Followed by my Sharpies, a multimeter, a distometer, and then some COVID-related items such as a face mask and hand sanitizer. Followed by just various personal items that I need. Secondly, as we come down to the bottom, I have turnarounds, which I made myself. I have 4 female and 4 male to male. Z cables I made personally because I like them over Y cables. They just have more flexibility, will get me out of tight situations. And then I have the soldering iron bag, I have my soldering sponge, my soldering spring, various tips and needles to go for other sockets. Then below all 3 of these, I have my pile cable tester, which has NL8, NL4, RJ45, every connector we usually run into while doing our shows. Coming to the other side, I have other tools that I will need, such as my pliers, screwdrivers, tape measure, and Allen keys. Coming to the bottom, I have my JPC radial DI, which has TRS, 1/4 inch RCA inputs that handles pretty much anything that gets thrown at me. Then my cue box, and then my hammock. On nice long show days, it's good to just throw this up underneath the stage, take a little nap if I'm able to. And underneath that, you have my Jody kit, which I use to clean in-ears and all of the gunk that builds up inside of them. And lastly, my Weller digital soldering station. And that pretty much wraps up my Pelican. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and good luck as we come to the end of the pandemic.
Big congrats to David on becoming a new father recently. It'll be really interesting to talk to him again after he's back out on the road and see how it is managing and balancing everything all at once. That's it for this time. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks again to David for sending in this awesome quick video. I'll see you in the next one.